Can we lock our gallery app with Fingerprint? No, we can't lock gallery with Fingerprint, but we can lock our gallery app with pattern or passcode or PIN. Let's see how to do it. Go to your Play Store. In Play Store, search for App Lock Pro, App Lock Pro. And all you have to need, install this App Lock Pro, App Lock and Guard app. So this is very popular and trusted app to lock or secure our files and apps in our phone. Once this app installed, open the app. And here select lock type. You can select 4-digit PIN, 6-digit PIN, pattern or knock code. I'm selecting 4-digit PIN and creating a PIN. Now tap on permit, allow, permit, allow permission. Now by default this app will lock bunch of different apps, so you can easily unlock all of them from locked section. Now go to unlocked and now scroll down and find out the gallery app. Just lock the gallery app. Now on, whenever you try to open the gallery app, you have to enter the lock that you just created on your App Lock Pro. So that's how you can actually do it.